guys, it's Infinite Emerald here, and today I got a haircut. So today we're at a car wash place called Brown Bear Car Wash with my sister here and my dad. Wow, look over here. Ooh, what a good boy. See, it's Brown Bear Car Wash.
Where's the baby? What's going on?
Over here.
There's a baby right there.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my 50 subscribers special. It took a long time to make it.
Is there a baby in here?
If you haven't watched it, then go check it out. It should be like the second video on my channel or something. Look at my pajama pants.
Where's the baby's head?
My sister is watching something.
Baby, what are you doing? There's a baby hiding. Okay, I just saw
Is that Roblox? So we have a pajama pant here. Guys, look, I just picked up some icebreakers for Maya earlier this morning. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'll be back with the vlog when something interesting happens.
Boring.
Okay, guys, we are going into the car wash. Right, Papa? We're driving into the car wash, guys. Monica, can you stop watching your video and enjoying this car wash experience?
Fine. Do it. But only if the hairs get out of the pants.
My haircut is pretty sick, right, Monica?
Anna's haircut is not really sick.
It's really healthy.
एकच मिनिट रे.
Derp. Papa, when are we gonna go into the car?
Okay, I buckled up.
When you're a younger pony.
This is boring. So that's why I'm just gonna watch YouTube videos.
Oh
with something
my
interesting.
god, Monica. What a little girl. Oh, look at that guy. What's he doing?
कुठला?
In the front of us. He's like washing the bottom of the car.
Yeah.
Which guy? Which guy?
He's right there.
I can't see.
He looks like a hard worker. Working in his natural habitat. But when are we gonna go into the car wash? Is it gonna take a long time?
No, look,
This
maybe
is
another 5 to
Roblox.
7
In
minutes.
Roblox, when
Oh,
somebody
I'm just
dies,
recording then.
that's their...
Guys, look. We're in the line,
Welcome to our car wash.
and my dad's doing.
Please select an option from the list on the screen.
He's using a wash code.
Please enter the 5-digit code.
I'm getting ready to close the door.
You're
Okay,
now ready to enter the car wash.
I closed the door now.
I wanted to say hi to that bear.
It's okay. You can say hi to it when in the video.
Yeah.
Oh, another line. Oh, Monica, look, there's another bear for you to say hi. Oh, it's like the one at Roanoke Park, right?
Yeah.
It's like one of those bears.
Oh,
All windows closed.
Yeah, Monica, is your window closed?
Yeah. Door about to you.
Yeah, I know. I closed it back there.
Good.
we don't want any water to get inside us.
साडास म्हणजे?
She said inside us. She said it really weird. Monica, stop watching Cookie Scroll C. He.
Watch Cookies World. See. Ha 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 ha.
Cookie Scroll C. He. No, I'm not perfectly happy. When was the last time we got a car wash, Papa?
Long.
Look at this bear. He's swag. It looks like the Akinator. Okay, guys. We're almost in the place.
Excited.
Turn your cookie thingy off. Guys, there's a guy there.
Ready. Ah.
The very best package. The very bright package. The very clean package. Okay guys, we're almost in the car wash. Wow, I come up here. Because I want to record this. Okay guys, we're going to get in the car wash.
Right up and close.
Ooh. Look, it's coming across our window. Ah! Cannot see anything. Ooh, here's another wiper. Ooh, whoa, what is that? That's pretty good. Another wiper. Hey guys, this is how the inside of a transformer looks like. Microphone.
The danger's outside.
There's another car there. Oh, Monica, remember that Curious George episode with the car wash? Okay guys, here's like the dry flap thing. We're gonna get dried. Ooh. Ooh, it's like a squid. Or an octopus. That actually does a really good job at drying. Well, it dries the front, but it doesn't dry the back. Wow, when was the last time we did a car wash?
6 months back.
Oh. No. You have to record your own videos on it to become independent. Oh, they're giving us a rinse. Ooh.
Nice and clean.
Ooh, it looks like it's raining now. I think it's over.
Dryer.
Oh, dryer, guys. Look at this water. Whoa, that looks so cool. Wow. That's dryer. Ready? Go. Woohoo! That was cool. That's pretty cool. That was cool, right, Papa?
Yeah, we got it done.
Look at this gorilla. From the back, it looks like Harambe. Harambe is such a dead meme. Its arms are so big. Nice.
There's actually water. Do you want to take a swim? Do you want to take a swim in that water? Looks fresh.
Too fresh for you. Guys, it's the undaunted spirit. World renewed artist Lorenzo.
Whoa, lovely.
Brown bear car wash. Nay. Okay, guys, so I hope you like my haircut. No, I was just kidding. But my haircut is pretty cool too. Just wanted to know. But in all seriousness, guys, I hope you liked the car wash vlog. It was pretty cool to see inside a car wash. Okay, guys, this is the Infinite Emerald signing off until the next time. Bye. Nay.